Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tinko Foodies. Today I'll be sharing a healthy and tasty chocolate muffin recipe. These easy to make muffins are not only free from refined sugar, but they're loaded with the goodness of oats, which makes them a perfect chocolatey treat to curb those sweet cravings in a clean and simple way. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, we'll make oat flour. Into a blender, add some oats. And grind them fine to make oat flour. Our oat flour is ready. We'll keep it aside. And now, we'll grease the muffin tray nicely with some oil. Now take a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 cup oat flour that we had prepared earlier. Also add 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup jaggery powder or any other sweetener of your choice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and give it a nice mix. Now add 2 tablespoons olive oil or any oil of your choice, half cup yogurt, 1/3 cup milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now give this mixture a gentle mix till everything is nicely combined and this mixture turns into a smooth batter. Now we'll transfer the batter into the muffin tray. Top it up with almonds or any other nuts or seeds of your choice. Also, top the dark chocolate chunks. Here, I've used 70% dark chocolate and cut it into small chunks. Now we'll bake the muffins in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. The muffins are ready. We'll allow them to cool completely. And using a butter knife, we'll gently carve the muffins out of the tray like this. These muffins turned out to be nice, soft and fluffy, making them perfect to pair with that cup of coffee or chai as you'll dig into their chocolatey goodness. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, if you like to treat yourself with something chocolatey every once in a while, do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.